Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl, AB World Entertainment. Happy new month to everyone in the house. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Happy new month, my wonderful family. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. Okay, I remain your humble sister, AB World Entertainment. Many things they happen for inside Ogbonga, Nigeria. The news we want to talk about today. Now, breaking sad news. When I don't hear that one before, breaking sad news. Up Nigeria, my country. Report they reach us from the table of our big mommy, Dr. Kemi Oluloya. She can tell us, say, Mrs. Aisha Buhari, the first pikin of Naija. Una know who be the first pikin na. Im wife, as I earlier talk that they say, for the past 5 months, we no see our mama, we no see our granny, to even come advise us of the wetin dey happen for inside Ogbonge Nigeria. As I dey talk to una, so my country people. Hey, the news wey reach us all the way from Lagos State, Nigeria, where our Dr. Kemi Oluloya talk. He say e be like say no be say e be like say e sure say e say our mama and our papa, first pikin and first wife of Nigeria, e say they don go their way. Mama go this side, papa go this side. Una know wetin I take am mean. No be my mouth, una go hear say na divorce na be the meaning of that. Mama go left, papa go right. As I dey talk to una, so my country people, now she talk am few days ago. Now I see this news. Now I say, I must let my people know. Say, no be only Berlusconi rule Italy without no first lady. Say our mama, wey dey Aso Rock before, say e no dey again. E don secretly separate with our first pikin of Nigeria. The first citizen of Nigeria. Say she don waka go her own way. As I even dey tell una, I go tell una the country where she go, wetin she dey do for there, my people. Whether na for Africa, I go let una know. Or na Shoroti, una go know people wey dey tell una know wetin be Shoroti. Okay, let's go there. He say she don separate from her husband. People dey talk say she go medical checkup. He say na lie. Say na fa my people. He say General Baba, na im people wey dey work follow. No say they dey see amebo. Now feel say maybe na only social media people na dey do amebo. Oh, all these people dey work for government house. They be olofofo, alaroro. They are mad, oh my God. You just say na only we dey see wetin, na only us dey talk wetin our eye no see. They see they talk wetin their ear no hear. Eye no see am, ear no hear, and then they talk am, my dear people. He say now their source na he tell am say the woman say he don tire. He will be first wife. He no dey behave like first wife. Imagine, he started few years, should be 2 years ago or last year. They be don marry on top of am. He no know. All in the name of saying they travel up and down. Wetin go take better Nigeria children life. In the first solution, we want to help Nigeria children. Before he come back, fiancé Abi Hozi, as Igbo people dey talk am, be don marry another woman. Make they no catch them for eye. They can't dash the woman to one oga wetin they call this man. Oh, I first talk about the woman. Now that's oga kpatakpata for this wetin they call am Air Force. Air Force I want talk since my people. So and so we see the matter, my country people. He said the woman say he don't tire. Our first wife of Nigeria say he don't tire, he don't do again. For how many years now wey in that Nigeria they get presido. In your con different. He never see say that is other country, other president wey don fair rule for inside Naija, their wife dey come and come dey bold dey talk. Go see our mama that year, Patient. She dey help her husband run the affairs of Nigeria. She dey make all of us dey laugh. Even the deaf and dumb sef, dem dey hear wetin she dey talk that time. But this man no dey gree. If he talk, he hear the go warn am say, madam, enough of all this your talk, oh. Enough of all this your talk, yo. Enough of all this your talk, yo. Now mama kukuma just pack her bag and baggages. Just so. Also pay. And she talk say, she dey go hospital check up, oh. They go open border. Mama pass. As she reach that side, the ladder wey she take climb enter that place, she throw away am. I know say that they talk and say if you want climb ladder, no climb, throw away ladder for a person. This woman climb ladder, she throw away ladder, say now una know abeg, e no concern me. Now so we see am, my people. So my country people, as I dey talk to una so, Auntie Kemi say our mama no dey come back again. Say she don't move on with her life. Say she don't even dey enjoy for that side. Hey. She don't fed up with the katakata and palaba wey dey inside Nigeria. Say she no fit again. Make they carry their country comot. My people, wetin me wan ask for here? Una sure say Bubu still dey alive? Una see? As I even dey talk to una so, another person no dey Aso Rock again. Don relocate go UK. UK, where Mama Lizard, where Auntie Lizard dey. Mama Shali, e don go that place. Nigeria, my country. I hail una. The best country in the world. When first lady not dey around again. Now only first man of Nigeria, na I can dey rule. Okay, my people. She say she don't tire to even become Mama of Africa. She no fit again. Her voice, they know they let her voice make they count for that country. So it's better she just kukuma just. Because if you tell them people want to deport you, they go tell you say, meaning you don't reach a car. My country people, this one strong you. It's strong you as my Yoruba people they talk am. She says she don't tire. She no fit help. They no let her help. It be like say they tie her hand and her leg. Tie a man journal. So because of that, it better you come out for the marriage. Now Dr. Kemi, now you talk and come out to my people. Now I say make a constant knock for where una dey. So as I dey talk to una so my people, the country where she for be first lady now, I go let una know very soon. Nigeria, my country. Una remember this woman when I put the picture so? This woman talk and say, his sister say, like the woman talk say, the sister of President Muhammadu Buhari, the first pikin of our nation, say, his sister first talk and say, not be his sister, his in-law, they run Nigeria again. You understand? Say our Baba don't waka tire, he don't waka go. But we no one believe. Why many people come they run come on for Aso Rock? Because they are about to be exposed. Judgment they don't the waka they come. Now so we see them, my people. Now I say make I let una know. Say see wetin the parable where this woman talk that time. She not throw away. He talk and say, boy, that is our mama, our former mama say, your former mama sister say, this country no be brother-in-law hand the day gay. Say our mama talk and say, our former mama talk and say, Buhari Kaba, they don't attack people, all those Iwase people. Una know people who be the Iwase. Iwase don't attack, they don't collect them from the man hand. The man not get saying again. Now waiting they talk, not for him to your sign up. And so we see my people. Okay, oh, my country people, make a now. The country where our first speaking wife for come become first lady. My people, my country. According to our beautiful mommy, Dr. Kemi Omololu, Omoolu, she don't add another name to her name, no. Dr. Kemi Oluloya. She come talk and say the country where our mama for come become first lady. Say the country na be. She says she is now the mother of UAE now to serve the MSM will never report this, okay? Una hear my people. Say our mama, not be our mama for Nigeria again. No. So they say Aso Rock, nobody there again. Everybody don't they fly. As I say fly. I go tell you another person will come up for inside Aso Rock. My people, make a leave una for this junction. I beg. If today never be the first time where you hear this video, you will you see this video, or you fail to watch, you never subscribe. Maybe use this opportunity to do me favor to subscribe for me, and also touch that bell, so that all this kind of ogbonge news where they come from Nigeria, my country, will they reach your hand. May you also help me to share am. They leave comment and they give thumbs up. You see as you they do and so blessing. Ezeneka blessing, they go they follow you all the days of your life. And to my new subscriber, I say you all, you are welcome. Thank you for being here. To my returning subscriber, what can I do without you? Nothing. God bless you all. Stay blessed and remain blessed. Bye everyone. Cheers.